Welcome to Aries Agro Limited presents the Jeevan Agri Show.
नमस्कार मेरे किसान भाइयों, मैं जीवन हूं। आपने मुझे एरीज के उत्पादों के साथ देखा होगा। एरीज एग्रो लिमिटेड प्रस्तुत द जीवंस एग्री शो में आपका स्वागत है। मैं यहां आपके साथ एक ऐसी बातचीत करने आया हूं जो आपके भविष्य के लिए फायदेमंद साबित होगी। एरीज एग्रो लिमिटेड, जय किसान, जय विज्ञान सप्ताह का उत्सव आप सभी के साथ मनाने पर गर्व महसूस करता है। इस आयोजन के तहत हम आपके लिए एक विशेष श्रृंखला ला रहे हैं जिसमें अपने अपने क्षेत्र में वर्षों का अनुभव रखने वाले सम्मानित विद्वान शामिल होंगे। ये आदरणीय वक्ता अपनी अनमोल जानकारी हमारे साथ साझा करेंगे ताकि हम कृषि में एक उज्जवल भविष्य और अधिक लाभ की दिशा में कदम बढ़ा सकें। आइए हम सभी मिलकर जय किसान, जय विज्ञान सप्ताह को सीखने और प्रगति का एक यादगार उत्सव बनाएं। आज हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर ए हुसैन, जो एग्रोनॉमी में प्रतिष्ठित पीएचडी धारक हैं और कृषि प्रबंधन, फसल और संसाधन प्रबंधन, क्षेत्रीय शोध और शिक्षण में 34 वर्षों का अनुभव रखते हैं। उन्होंने डॉक्टोरल और मास्टर स्तर के शोध का मार्गदर्शन किया है, आवेदन अध्ययन किए हैं और जैविक खेती, क्लाइमेट स्मार्ट कृषि और कृषि में डिजिटल तकनीकों जैसे आईओटी में योगदान दिया है। एक प्रभावशाली संवादक डॉक्टर हुसैन ने टीवी और रेडियो शो होस्ट किए हैं, यूट्यूब पर टेक वीडियो बनाए हैं और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय और राष्ट्रीय जर्नल्स में विस्तृत रूप से प्रकाशित किया है। साथ ही क्षेत्रीय भाषाओं में लोकप्रिय लेख भी लिखे हैं। उनकी उपलब्धियों में मेरिटोरियस एक्सटेंशन साइंटिस्ट अवार्ड, बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी टीचर अवार्ड और यंग मुस्लिम साइंटिस्ट के रूप में पहचान शामिल है। डॉक्टर हुसैन का योगदान वैश्विक फार्म प्रमाणन, तकनीकी हस्तांतरण और कृषि में प्रभावी सार्वजनिक सहभागिता तक विस्तारित है। आज वे हमें पौध पोषण का मानव स्वास्थ्य पर प्रभाव विषय पर मार्गदर्शन देंगे। सर, पौध पोषण सीधे तौर पर मानव स्वास्थ्य और कल्याण को कैसे प्रभावित करता है?
If you look at this plant nutrition and human health, there is a direct relationship which is very significant and direct, because most of the crop plants absorb the nutrients directly from the soil and absorb them. By the way, they also prepare vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, which we consume through these plant-based foods. Really, they play a very crucial role in preventing chronic diseases, ailments, and also promoting overall health. So healthy plant food, and healthy human beings. If you look at the key points or key areas, essential nutrients for human health also, like vitamins, minerals, all these things are obtained from the plant-based foods which are given to the plant through nutrition. Secondly, phytochemicals like antioxidants, carotenoids, anti-inflammatories, anti-cancer, and heart protective properties. All these things which are obtained from the plant food directly have a bearing on the human health. Another important thing is the diet quality. So all the food, plant-based food associated, having the direct quality in terms which will have the prevention of mechanisms for like a diseases like heart, diabetes, and even lungs also. Now, micronutrient deficiencies. If the soil is poor in micronutrients, so the plant-based food also will be deficient in micronutrient, leading to the deficiency of micronutrients in the human beings. And another important is mental well-being of the population which consume these plant-based foods, and like vitamins, fibers, folates, lycopene, like that. Enormous human health influencing factors are directly related with the plant-based food. That's how we can clearly say that plant nutrition bears a direct role on plant-based foods, through which it controls the human health also.
फसलों में सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्व मानव पोषण संबंधी कमी को रोकने में क्या भूमिका निभाते हैं?
See, micronutrients, whether it is for plant nutrition or human nutrition, though they are micro in nature, but they play a vital role which is macro in its nature. Now, so for example, all micronutrients They are very, very essential in preventing chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, Alzheimer's, and many a times they are very supportive for the reproductive system of the human being. You can generally imagine most of the reproductive cases that are being observed are all directly related to the deficiency of the micronutrients. And also resilience to viral attacks. Many of the micronutrients help to improve the resilience to the virus attacks, which are changing their format from time to time. Now, sometimes we need to improve the micronutrition from the plant-based food to the human beings. In such conditions, we need to taking care of the integrated nutrient management through which we give micronutrients to the plant, from plant to plant-based food, then to human being. And another important thing is genome sequencing, by which we can inculcate the biofortification of the plant-based foods. So like this, the micronutrients play a dominant role in preventing the human nutritional deficiencies in our crop production practices.
पौधों के पोषण में सुधार कैसे वैश्विक खाद्य सुरक्षा और बेहतर आहार परिणामों में योगदान कर सकता है?
Plant nutrition and health are very important for global food security and dietary outcomes, because plants, crop plants are the basic and the primary source for the nutrition for the human being on this earth, and also the livestock. Food security. What exactly food security is? Access to the food, safe food, nutritious food, affordable food, and availability. So all these things. So it is one of the important actors of the sustainable developmental goals put forwarded by the United Nations. So for that purpose, we need to maintain the plant health. Plant health is one of the important aspect influencing not only the yield but also quality of the plant-based food. Now, sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture cannot be visualized without plant nutrition. That means we need to take care of plant nutrition, sometimes even organic also, and also agroecology, taking or leading to the improvement in the food security, conservation of resources, and enhancing the climate resilience to the climate change. Resilience to the climate change. These days, every nook and corner of the globe is facing the impact of climate change. To combat that also, we need to take care of the plant nutrition, ultimately the production and the food security. Then nutritional security. Not only the, nutritional security, food security, but also nutritional security. So we need to include some of the crop plants or some of the crops which will give nutritional, for example, millets, to supplement the human body, what all it requires in terms of vitamins, minerals, along not only food, but supplementary also. So like this, a balanced method of plant nutrition duly supporting the growth, development, reproduction. So all the essential plant nutrients play direct role on the plant health, and the plant health into the qualitative, nutritive, plant-based food, from the plant-based food to human beings in nutritional.
कृषि प्रथाओं में पौधों के पोषण को प्राथमिकता देने के दीर्घकालिक लाभ क्या हैं?
Yes, plant nutrition is one of the important aspect, one of the important operation which cannot be forgotten at any cost in any agricultural practices. Right from ages, from centuries, people used to give nutrition to the plant soil. Now, this plant nutrition have long-term effects. One is it improves the soil health. Soil health is the basic one which influences the crop growth, which influences the livestock health, which influences the quality of the plant-based fruit that what we take from the plants. Now, climate resiliences. If you take leguminous crops, which have the very adaptability to face various climate change and its variation, so that it is one of the important thing, and making our soils still productive and giving an option to do the cultivation for our farmers facing all sorts of weather aberrations. Now, crop yields. If you look at the crop yields are highly influenced by the plant nutrition, isn't it? So we need to take care of the plant nutrition as important on top priority, so that we can not only maintain the productivity, but also we can maintain the quality and the dietary quality also. Now, nutrient use efficiency. whatever the applied nutrients, the efficiency cannot be obtained unless it is integrated. So all integrated approaches need to be taken care so that to derive the nutritional use efficiency. Now, another important thing is the water use efficiency. Water use efficiency is very important because uh, water is becoming scarce. Such a scarce resource need to be handled very carefully, isn't it? To handle that, we need to develop such mechanism. We need to develop some physiological aspects in the crop plant so that it can face any sort of problem. For that, plant nutrition is the only option with us. So integrated plant nutrition, duly taking care of the micronutrition, is going to help in agricultural practices. Another important thing is pest and disease control. Much of the and also weed impact. See, much of our crop product produce is lost because of the pest and disease and also weeds. If a plant is robust, if a plant is rigorous in its appearance and its competition with the other things, definitely it is going to prove very beneficial. To give rigorousness, to give vigor to the plant, invariably the plant nutrition plays that dominant role. So it cannot be forgotten. Another important thing is the carbon sequestration. Everyone on the globe is feeling the problem of climate change in one or the other format. Now, plant nutrition offers the sequestration of the carbon, which is otherwise being let loose into the atmosphere, causing global warming. So, plant nutrition, if it is properly planned, if it is properly incorporated with the organic sources, if it is properly managed through climate resilient agricultural technologies, it is going to sequestrate the carbon and leading to a good carbon sequestration and keeping a check over the greenhouse gases, thereby the climate change and its impact on the life on the globe.
कृषि पोषण और मानव स्वास्थ्य के बीच संबंध के बारे में किसानों को जागरूक करने के लिए कौन सी रणनीतियां अपनाई जानी चाहिए?
Yes. Now it is on our part, it's very important to take care how we can educate, how we can create awareness among the farmers about the relationship between the crop nutrition and human health. For that purpose, we have already in place like field demonstrations, on-farm testings, workshops, symposium, farmer-to-farmer interaction and training programs, utilizing all the media, not only radio and news, but also all the social media platforms and also mobile apps, and also to promote the crop diversification and integrated plant nutrition management and the due role of micronutrition and its impact on crop growth, yield, and quality, ensuring the food security and nutritional security. And for all the purposes, making use of all the existing agricultural extension services and also aptly collaborating our extension services with the health professionals. It's very important, not only the plant scientists, but also the health professionals also should be taken into consideration so that we can promote, we can create awareness among the farmers and link how the plant nutrition is going to ensure the human health, human happiness, human mental well-being. That's how, based on the literacy levels of the farming community, we have to take a very justifiable integrated approach. See, that's how One Health concept is coming up. One Health. So please give nutrition to the soil. Soil will develop its health. If the soil health is developed, plant health is developed. If the plant health is maintained, very healthy plant-based food we obtain. The moment we obtain healthy plant-based food, the consumer, we the human beings, will get good food, nutritious food, and food security and nutritional security is ensured. Once the nutritional security of the population is ensured, it is leading to a healthy society. A healthy society will contribute its role in well-being of the nation, prosperity of the nation, development of the nation. That's how One Health concept is very much important in educating, creating awareness among the farmers, duly highlighting the crop nutrition and the human health.
आपका बहुत धन्यवाद सर, कीमती मार्गदर्शन और आपके मूल्यवान समय के लिए।
Thank you. Thanks.
तो दोस्तों, मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस सत्र से आपको उपयोगी जानकारी मिली होगी और यह सभी को बेहतर उत्पादकता हासिल करने में मदद करेगा। अगली कड़ी में फिर से मुलाकात होगी। तब तक एरीज एग्रो लिमिटेड प्रस्तुत द जीवंस एग्री शो से जुड़े रहें और हमेशा याद रखें, बेहतर फसल, बेहतर कल।